Cheaper diesel are available in Delhi as compared to UP and Haryana. Free public toilets are also available nearby Indian Oil petrol pump, New Delhi. Today now we are nearby IIT Delhi. As you can see, there is a signboard. Here you can go to Safdarganj and Mahrauli, and you can India Gate Airport, Greater Kailash. On poster, some instructions are given by CM Kejriwal about the saving of diesel and petrol during red light. Due to coronavirus, you can see the instructions. There are 3 steps to save our life from the corona. There are some important instructions are written on the wall. You can see in the public place. Traffic and pollution are much more in Delhi as compared to other cities and states of India. Hello dear friends, welcome to YouTube channel IIT Ropar Bloggers, and today now I am in Delhi, and today I am going from Hauj Khas metro station to ESI metro station. And so in this video I will show a full attractive view of a journey from Hauj Khas metro station to ESI. So please continue till the end of this video. And now we have entered inside the metro of Hauj Khas, and now our journey has started from the Hauj Khas metro station, and we will cross the some stations and then we will reach to ESI metro station. So please continue till the end of this video. For the safety of passengers, here the instructions are written to stand here by keeping the social distancing in the Delhi metro. As you can see, the places, green places are marked to stand on the floor of this metro. Alternate sittings are also maintained for the passenger safety. So our metro train has started, and now we have reached to Green Park metro station, and now the train will start from here. As you can see, the very less people are here, and now we will see in few seconds EMS metro stations. As you can see, reached to Delhi Heart metro station, and now we are leaving the yellow line and we will choose another metro to reach our destination of INA. So this is a escalator. As you can see, it's help to come ground floor to top floor. Now friends, I am going to choose or change our train to reach our destination. You can see all the metro stations name written here. As you can see the inside view of metro station, how beautiful the Delhi metro stations are looking, and the passengers and staffs totally used to follow the rule. And now we are changing our another metro station. Now we have entered inside the another metro to reach our destination. As you can see, as we are changing the metro from the Delhi Heart, so our journey will start from this Delhi Heart metro station. And you can see the very less people are traveling in the metro due to corona. And now we have reached to Sarojini Nagar, and after crossing this Sarojini Nagar, the next station is Bhikhaji Kama Place. As you can see the board on board, the advertisement used to go on the inside of Delhi metro. Now we have reached to Bhikhaji Kama Place, and now we will reach to M. Visvesvaraya metro station. As you can see, there is written Sir M. Visvesvaraya Moti Bagh. From the inside metro, you can see the beautiful scenario of outside from this metro. As you can see how the greenery and the trees, big trees are available in the Delhi. The next station is Durgabai metro station. As you can see, the stations are written on the screen, Durgabai metro station. Now friends, we have reached to Durgabai Deshmukh South Campus metro station, and now the journey has started on the continuation of Hauj Khas. The instructions on written that please keep away from the door for the safety of your hand. The next station is Narayana Vihar. And now friends, now show you the inside view of metro during this corona period. Now let's show you the some inside view of Corona. As you can see the outside view, how the journey looking so nice and beautiful from the metro, and the metro are at a very high speed. As you can see the very less passengers, and the each passengers following the social distancing, and you can see the how nice and beautiful the inside view of metro and the metro stations. Now the train has started from the Narayana Vihar metro stations, and the you can see some outside view of buildings in Delhi, and the buildings and the overbridge, and this is the road of the Delhi. As you can see, this is a railway line of Delhi Metro. Finally, friends, we have reached to ESI metro station as per our destination. So let's leave the this metro and let's show you the ESI platform view of metro station. As you can see, this is our train that we are leaving. Finally, friends, I have reached to ESI metro station from IL metro station.